Hi, everyone. The course I want to highlight here is called Undergraduate Reverse Engineering. This is for, of course, undergraduate students, undergraduate faculty, and the focus is on providing all of the baseline tools and concepts and techniques that are needed for learning and teaching reverse engineering. This will include file formats, tools like Ghidra and IDAPRO, as well as just fundamental concepts that reverse engineers are going to see. That is, what do programs look like after they've been compiled? This course, or the series of courses, sets the stage for other courses like malware analysis, as well as software exploitation, for these other courses that have tremendous value finding and discovering vulnerabilities so that those can be patched and we can protect critical infrastructure and our organizations, as well as performing malware analysis. Because at the end of the day, when we need to investigate the cyber tools that were used to attack things like critical infrastructure, we have to be able to reverse engineer them in order to understand what they're doing.